Hello Falcons, this is Layla Karasik, Huffman ISD Board of Trustees President. In the coming days, the district will publish the required notice of public meeting regarding the proposed tax rate. I want to clarify that the board has not voted on a tax rate. At the time this notice is prepared, certified property values have not yet been finalized, and the budget process remains ongoing. As a result, Huffman ISD has published the maximum rate to be discussed and considered. This provides transparency to taxpayers and preserves the board's ability to evaluate all available financial information before making a final decision. It is also important to note that the district's current voter approval tax rate is 1.07290. If the board ultimately proposes a rate above 1.07290, state law would require a voter approval tax rate election, giving Huffman ISD voters the opportunity to approve or reject the proposed rate. The rate reflected in the notice is not a board-approved rate and should not be interpreted as the board's final action. The board will determine the final tax rate during a public meeting after reviewing certified values, state funding information, budget needs, and taxpayer impact. The board remains committed to transparency throughout the process and encourage our community to stay informed as budget discussions continue. As always, if you have questions, concerns, or feedback, please feel free to contact board members or district administration directly. Thank you for your continued partnership and investment in Huffman ISD.